Top 7 foods for workouts. Bananas, the energy booster. Bananas are an excellent source of fast-digesting carbohydrates and potassium, making them ideal for pre-workout energy rich in potassium. Bananas help prevent muscle cramps during exercise. Their natural sugars provide a quick energy boost without causing insulin spikes. Eggs, the protein powerhouse. Packed with high-quality protein. Eggs are vital for muscle repair and growth, contain all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair. Rich in choline, which supports brain and nervous system health. Salmon, omega-3 rich protein, provides a combination of protein and anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. Crucial for endurance training, omega-3s help reduce exercise-induced inflammation that supports heart function, especially during high-intensity workouts. Oats, the slow-digesting carb. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates, ensuring sustained energy during long workouts, high in dietary fiber. Oats promote a healthy gut microbiome. The slow release of glucose helps maintain blood sugar levels, preventing fatigue. Sweet potatoes, the nutrient-rich carbohydrate. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamins and minerals that replenish depleted energy stores post-exercise. High levels of beta-carotene and vitamin C combat oxidative stress caused by intense workouts, supports faster recovery through glycogen restoration. Greek yogurt, the recovery food, combines protein and probiotics, making it a favorite post-workout snack rich in casein and whey protein, which aid in muscle repair. Probiotics improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Nuts and seeds, the healthy fats, provide a concentrated source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals for endurance athletes. Healthy fats offer long-lasting fuel for endurance sports. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are rich in antioxidants that reduce muscle soreness. Incorporating these foods into your diet not only enhances workout performance, but also supports overall health. A balanced diet with these items ensures sustained energy, faster recovery, and optimal muscle repair, backed by their scientifically proven benefits. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Take care.